All right, now I'm over here at the Vivitar booth because y'all know I love drones, and you know how I feel about spending a gazillion dollars on the drone when you can get some really nice quality ones out there and not spend as much money. Right here, my man has this really interesting drone to check out.
All right, so what we got here is the DRC-888 Skyview drone. What's incorporated here is a 360 camera, so that allows you to see front, back, left, right in one shot. So no matter what footage you're taking, you don't have to worry about the angle, where the camera's pointed. You go back to your phone, you watch that video. If you want to see what happened from behind the drone the whole time, you just swipe back. You look at the behind the drone. If you want to see what happened to the left of the flight time, you can watch the left. If you want to watch this downwards, you can watch the same video again, downwards facing. You can change your angle constantly throughout the app. The app also has Google Maps built into it, so you have dual tracking technology. Again, this is a dual GPS drone. We have a GPS tracker built into the drone and a secondary one built into the controller. So that allows us to have phenomenal follow me technology built in. You're enabled to follow me on the controller. The drone will follow at a nice safe distance constantly wherever you go. The drone will follow you. We also have follow me through the app if you want to use it.
Yeah.
I like it better through the controller. It's a much tighter sequence. Another nice thing about this drone is everything is click and lock. So from the legs,
oh my goodness,
to the guardrails which snap into place, even your battery, it's all slide and lock in, proprietary battery, nice and easy to use, simple. Built-in lithium-ion battery.
You know how long it takes to put the guardrails on these propellers nowadays?
Yeah, about 2 hours or so.
You telling me I can just snap these things into place?
Snap it right into place. 2 little clips knock into place, and you're locked in.
Oh my goodness! And we're rolling with a 360-degree camera on the bottom. That's insane.
Live stream straight to your phone or smart device.
That is nuts. Now, what's the model number on this Vivitar?
The DRC-888.
DRC-888. Now, where can we find this drone?
You could find it at any Walmart or Walmart.com. Right now, it's currently there.
All right, what's the price point?
$179 every day.
$179. Y'all hear that? That's not a lot of money, and you're going to get a nice quality drone right there. That's what's up. Hey, thanks for having me over here, my man.
Thanks. Have a great day.